Hey there, food lovers! Ready to take your mac and cheese game to the next level? Today, I'm showing you how to make an epic 5-cheese mac and cheese that's packed with flavor and cheesy goodness. First up, let's talk pasta. Instead of the usual elbow macaroni, we're going with spiral pasta. It grabs onto that cheese sauce perfectly. Boil some salted water, toss in your pasta and cook it just shy of done. About 4 minutes in a 6-minute cook time. Drain it, drizzle with a bit of olive oil and set it aside. Now on to the star of the show, the cheese sauce. On low heat, combine heavy cream and whole milk. Add in garlic, thyme, dry mustard, smoked paprika and a pinch of black pepper for that extra kick. Time to get cheesy. Grab your cheddar, Gouda, mozzarella and goat cheese. Each one brings a unique flavor and texture. Grate them all up and mix together. Mix your al dente pasta into the cheese sauce, making sure every twist and turn is coated in creamy goodness. Now let's layer it up. In a baking dish, spread half of the cheesy pasta, top with a layer of cheese, then add the rest of the pasta and more cheese on top. Don't forget a sprinkle of Parmesan to get that crispy top we all love. Pop it into the oven and bake until golden and bubbling. Keep an eye on it. Burnt cheese is a no-go. Once it's out, let it cool for just a moment before you dig in. Enjoy the melty, gooey, cheesy perfection with every bite. And there you have it, a rich, creamy, flavor-packed 5-cheese mac and cheese that'll have everyone coming back for seconds. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more delicious recipes. Happy cooking!